there. Hi, Maria. Welcome.
Welcome. Hi, Maria. Hi, Maria, ma'am.
We begin. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for the convocation of our multimedia students. As a Zoom etiquette, we request except the speaker, the rest of us would go on mute. We begin today's program with the lighting of Kuttivalakku by Divyata. Thank you, Divyata. We now start the prayer song by our Swaratma students. Swaratma is a parent's honorable motive to volunteer her precious time at Meera, and this has led to some musical moments. Mrs. Vidya Ganeshan teaches music lessons customized to suit individual child's strength and ability at Meera through our endeavor, Swaratma. I request Vedavalli to play the prayer songs by our Swaratma students, Arjun, Arun, and Sashank Palu.
But I done something else.
त्राणी च भक्तानां गुरुदे पूजिता सदा अभद्रनाशिनीं देवीं सुभद्रां पूजयाम्यहं सामगानप्रिया हरि देवी त्रिपुरसुन्दरी सामगानप्रिया हरि देवी त्रिपुरसुन्दरी सरसिजनभसोदरी हे जगदीश्वरी सरसिजनभसोदरी हे जगदीश्वरी सोमसुन्दर प्रिय हरि सुन्दरी मनोहरी तांडव प्रिय हरि साध जन मनोहरी.
That was lovely singing by Arjun and Sashank. May I now call upon the...
Amma was very surprised.
Thank you, Aditi. We request you to go on mute. May I now call upon Divyata to welcome the gathering and introduce the chief guest. Spotlight on to Divyata, please.
Auntie, can you tell Anamika's mother to go on mute, Auntie?
Yes. Those who are not speaking, we go on mute. Thank you, Aditi. Yes, Divyata.
Hi, Divyata Auntie.
Hi. Welcome all. Team Mira is so excited to have you all here to participate in the convocation of our multimedia students.
That's so nice of you. Satishaka looks very nice today.
Kailasham Ramalingam. As said by him, education is for knowledge and not for a job. And following this, he thrives in the banking sector, holding an engineering degree. Starting off as a software programmer and moving across different roles in the banking industry, he's currently the managing director, head of customer center in DBS Singapore. He has 20 plus years of experience in retail banking. He's passionate in driving digital engagement using digital interventions, digital servicing, and chatbots. He is married happily to his wife Kavita and has two lovely daughters, Keetana and Keetika. As a philanthropist, he has contributed for many causes. We are very honored to have him with us on this platform. Would you like to say a few words, sir?
Thanks, Divyata. Let me ask the first most abused word in this century, right? Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thanks, Sarita. Thanks, Team Mira, for actually having me in this particular convocation. It's my honor and privilege to be here, right? I got to know Mira through our own Sarita, whom I actually knew since my college days. She was studied with me. I would say that she studied and I actually went to the college together, right? So after degree, we just went on actually, but we still connected to be on friends. And when we actually caught up for a college reunion, she talked about Mira. And that's how I got to know Lakshmi and Satish. I was quite impressed with the work they have done, right? Why I could relate more to Mira was that my wife was also a teacher in Singapore, predominantly working on early childhood. So I get to know the struggles, the passion that the teachers actually have for Mira. So that's a great work. And I believe I can see the joyness from all the children in this particular meeting, that I can see how much the effort has been gone in for it. As we say, right, education is for knowledge, but it doesn't mean that you could always put all your knowledge into what you're actually going to develop in your career. The ability for you to adapt and actually persevere in your future is what actually you need to learn. I think this COVID crisis has actually taught us everything. How do we actually persevere? How do we be nimble and agile? Take, for example, these Zoom meetings. 2 years back, no one even actually attempted a Zoom meeting or a Zoom convocation, but now that's a norm. And while we actually do it, we shouldn't keep forgetting that every individual is different. And as long as we actually respect that and we actually tailor our education towards that particular individual, I think we can actually bring the best out of every individual, and that be a student or an actually adult, it doesn't matter. What I'm actually really happy and impressed about is how Mira actually took an initiative to tailor the course to every single individual student at this particular convocation. So I'm happy to be there, and actually I'm really honored to be actually invited as a chief guest for this particular convocation. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kailasam, for your kind words and your continual support for Mira in all its initiatives. You're in fact an inspiration for many of us. I think one thing that Kailasam told us now is that, every individual is different. I think that really rings a bell in all our ears right now. And we strive towards celebrating those differences, and Mira stands for it. Thank you, Kailasam. May I now call upon Lakshmi Satish, our director, the strength behind all of us. We are all here because of Lakshmi Satish. We request you to share your thoughts on the multimedia program, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, you're on mute.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Team Mira, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you, dear students, parents, well-wishers, patrons, and our dear chief guests. A warm welcome to all the extended families and friends who are joining us in the celebrations today through Facebook. Today is a special day truly, a day that one of our dreams is coming true. Our first batch of multimedia students is graduating after 3.5 years of hard work and fun. The second batch has completed their learning phase and is halfway through that milestone. You know, from the time we started Meera, Satish and I 12 years ago, up until 4 years back, we had not envisioned getting into the space of formal vocational training. We were quite sure we would be able to direct our students to spaces that did vocational training. And when the time came and many of our students had become old enough to start training towards vocation, we looked around, but we were not really satisfied with the options available. You know, we were looking for options that explored the interests of our students, and many of them being a natural with gadgets. And some of you know that. That's when the AIMS Media program literally fell into our laps, and we have not looked back. 3.5 years later, this is where we are. It feels so good to stand here now and dream of their journey. I'm actually getting goosebumps. And a great journey it has been. We are happy to have collaborated with you, AIMS Media. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Rakesh. And thank you, AIMS Media. It has been a pleasure working with you. We look forward to our continued association. A very, very, very special thanks to Vinod sir. You have always been such a compassionate and patient tutor. This dream of Meera's has been led through and through by Sarita, ably supported by Vedanayagam and Vedan. They are a great team. Looking forward to actually what next they will conjure up. Sarita's presence at every stage is mention worthy, and I have to mention that here. With her involvement, she has transformed this program into something that is so rich that it has enabled every individual in the PBA-AMP program to step quite confidently into their workspace. But as in everything in Meera, nothing is done only by one person. Each member of Meera has played a role behind the scenes. Every intern from BAM, every volunteer has played a role in this journey, and we are richer by all their contributions. Lastly, dear LBAMP students, all of us at Meera wish you the very best as you take your next steps. Dear parents, thank you for the support and the trust in us to be able to have done this. This year has been rough. We understand, we know that. And with the sudden change from direct classes to online mode, we know what challenges we have faced. But despite challenges, each of you student and parent has shown resilience to do this well. Special wishes to you, dear PBA-AP students and parents. It is with pride that we see you stepping into the world. Congratulations on Atulya, your own organization. Extremely excited and looking forward to working with you all now as independent and professional enterprise. I would like to offer special thanks to all our patrons who have stood by us to sponsor what was required at any point in time, be it sponsoring students or materials and equipment needed for the course. We are eternally grateful. And of course, thank you to the universe for what it has allowed us to. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Lakshmi. I don't think we have Rakesh with us now. I would still like to introduce Rakesh because he's been the brain behind this program. Rakesh Dasmana is the founder and CEO of AIMS Media, our partner for multimedia education. He's an educationist and social entrepreneur. He's also an advisor and technical consultant to a number of educational institutions, corporates, and social organizations. Rakesh has been instrumental in making sure that, Meera signs up for this program and working with us in the initial days to, iron out any glitches that might have turned up. Thank you, Rakesh, for all the support that you have provided. We are surely missing you in this convocation. I now call upon Dr. Maria Capasi. She's the consulting director at AIMS Media and the go-to person for Meera. She's always worked collaboratively to ensure that the objectives of multimedia program are met. I think one term that resonates when I hear the word Maria is workstation. She's gone all through to make sure that, we are all set to have this workstation model up and running. Thank you, Maria. We would like to hear a few words from you now.
Thank you, Sarita. And first of all, from Rakesh, I congratulate each of every students over here. He has some sudden commitment happen on the health issues. So that's why my extended apology on behalf of him. And first of all, I'm glad that I'm today here because when I got the invitation from the Meera, I know from bottom of my heart that today again I am surprising with the Meera's hard work and teamwork. And yes, it is like showing here that how much effort you all put for this virtual convocation. As rightly said by the Mr. Sir, that convocation Zoom is very common now. But I'm very much sure that how Meera create this platform is definitely a wonderful, and it's always been. And graduation day is a lifetime memory for everyone. But at Meera is a wonderful journey too. I'm sure that learning from the Meera is an entirely different feeling because the teacher over here put their soul into each and every session. Not take only interest in a subject, but always think beyond that, how to make each student's unique and special. And that is all about, I say, Meera. Even though Meera's parents are always been wonderful, Meera's team always told me that whenever we take a parents into our team, we always feel that energy should be there, the synergy should be there. And I proudly say today, these parents are actually proved that part. At the same time, they are actual mentor for their students. They are role model to their own trainees or own children. And that's why this is all possible today. Vinod sir, thank you very much because I always seen the Vinod dedications, hard work, patience towards each and every students over here. So thank you very much. And whatever aims can be done or can do because of our teachers, our faculty, who are so dedicated and passionate towards our vision because they are a ground people and who can actually entirely work for us. So thank you, Vinod, for that. And as rightly said by the Sarita, I always say about the workstation. So how can I forget today about the workstation? So I congratulations Team Atulya as well. Team was seen by Ames and Meera about 4 years ago. And now we have achieved that. Now we all need to work new directions to how we can run this workstation and inspirations for so many. This workstation will serve as a model of the true inclusion for hundreds of other institutions. Meera classes are role models for many more establishments, but I hope we repeat this history soon for the workstation too. And I'm sure Meera, Lakshmi, and the team Meera will do that way. And I'm there all the time, as I always do.
Maria, we are not able to hear you.
Okay. I'm already fine.
The last part alone we lost. The rest of it we heard. The last line we lost.
Okay. That's a thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Maria. Vinod, our faculty for both LBAMP and PBAMP program, is someone who is highly approachable and always ready to meet the demands of the students and help customize the learning according to the need of every student. I would like to call upon now Nammaveettu Payan and Guru, Vinod sir, to speak a few words.
So, good morning, everyone. I feel extremely proud to be a part of this graduation ceremony. Actually, students in this both batch have learned various skills in the course, and it has been a wonderful and fulfilling experience working with each one of them. The coordinator from the both batch, Sarita ma'am, Veda sir, and Vedavalli ma'am have been very supportive all through ensuring the students complete the task assigned to them. I would like to thank all the parents who have been very cooperative and supportive. I'm looking forward to working with the LBAMP batch students to move into the PBAMP course in terms of not just enriching their skills, but also to creating a proper base for their sustainable future. Also, I would like to thank Satish sir and Lakshmi ma'am for their support. I would like to thank Regina also. Many times she also had some fun with children, and she also cooperated while we are not in such case. And also I thanks to my boss Rakesh sir and Maria ma'am to have allotted this best batch to me.
You know
So,
that.
thank you all.
Don't call as a boss, we are team. And I really appreciate, I really thank universe that I have a team like you. So don't call as a boss, we are team, right?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you, Vinod sir.
Thank you.
Vedavalli, can you please play the short video showcasing some of the activities done by our PBAMP team? Thank you, Vinod sir, for the wonderful compilation.
Vinod sir, your hair wasn't that nice in that PBMP video that auntie showed.
Okay. I'm
That
now.
hair was not nice in your hair.
Aditi,
Hairstyle was not. Hi. Hairstyle was not nice.
Okay, Aditi, we have noted it. Yes, thank you, Aditi. I'm privileged to now talk about our PBAMP students.
Can you try? Next is going to be me and my other AP friends, I think.
After the PBAMP, we will come to LB. Yes, Aditi, thank you. Yes, please go on mute. I'm privileged to talk about our PBAMP students. They've completed their advanced diploma program, maintaining their rigor and discipline despite challenges such as the ongoing COVID pandemic. This team was the first to take up online sessions and braved all odds to meet their course objectives. And these years were not just filled with learning, but with lots of fun and bonding. Every occasion, every event was celebrated by a piece of work on one of the software that they were learning at that moment. The real transformation happened when Vinod and I became their peers instead of their facilitators. The students started exploring and started sharing their discovery and ideas with all of us. Isn't that what is true empowerment? Being able to find and do it all by myself? The key strength of this entire team has been their commitment. And any assignment that they took up, they walked the extra mile to take it to completion. The parents are a huge pillar of strength for them. They've always been ready to help each other to achieve the common goal, be it technical help, facilitating a workshop, organizing projects, or just being there for each other. Special thanks to Vinod sir for being patient and always available to clarify our doubts. Vedavalli and Vedanayakam have been very supportive by stepping in as facilitators when the need arose. My gratitude and heartfelt thanks to both of them. Thank you, Raga, for your workshop on SketchUp Pro. This is the favorite topic for most of the students. Thank you, Regina, for engaging the team whenever we have had discussions with the parents. The entire team at Mira have stood by us, giving us projects and also including us in every initiative that happens in Mira. Fridays have always been very special for us. And do you know why? That's when the BAM interns join us. It's always a joy to see how the students made the interns feel at home during the sessions. No words to thank Lakshmi and Satish for the trust in us and supporting us all the way. The entire AIMS Media team, Vinod, Ruchi, Arushi, and Chandini, under the leadership of Rakesh and Maria, have always been available for us and worked towards the goal of Workstation. This is indeed an inspiring team, and we've had several aha and goosebump moments with them. 2 years of rigorous training, submitting 22 assignments, executing more than 20 live projects. Their commitment and responsibility is something that all of us could just emulate. Always ready to take up the challenges. The 4 students, Harshil, Nived, Shreya, and Trisha, along with the support from their mothers, Omana, Rashmi, Srividya, and Sridevi, deserve a huge round of applause. Let's now listen to what the parents and students of PBAMP have to share with us. Vedavalli, video, please.
Hello, MP program. It has been a fun learning experience. I enjoyed working on SketchUp Pro and I am waiting to make the plan for my house in Southall, UK. I have all
Technical glitches are a part of any online meeting, and I guess we'll just come back soon.
To working with my friends in Atulya. From the beginning till the end of the program, I learned one important thing, which is how to work with others. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rashmi, Nived's mother. It has been a really great journey with Mira and AIMS Media the past little over 24 months. A really great learning experience for both parent and child. As parents, we learn to work alongside our wards, and as the wards have learned to accept the parents in their personal space. And with regard to Nived, I would like to say his confidence level has increased a lot more than it already was. And with regard to his tolerance level also, there has been a great improvement in accepting other people and working with others. And the Zoom sessions have really increased his patience levels also. And these sessions have been great to set a foundation for both their talents in design as well as in creativity. And thank you, Mira, and AIMS for giving our students an opportunity for a future career. Thank you once again. All the very best.
Hello everyone, I'm happy that I have completed my advanced diploma course. Thank you Mira and AIMS Media. I gain experience by doing projects. I enjoy doing SketchUp Pro, Adobe After Effects, Tinkercad. Thank you Vinod sir and Sarita aunty for your support. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Omina, Harshal's mother. I am glad that Harshal has completed advanced diploma course thanks to Meera and Ames Media for your constant support and encouragement. It was a huge learning experience for Harshal. In this course, he gained confidence and knowledge. He learned
audio, please.
Explore his creativity. Thank you Vinod sir and Sarita for your guidance. We are looking forward to work on more projects. Thank you.
Hi, I am Trisha. In thank you PBAP finish பண்ணல ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு. Thank you Ames Media, Meera, teachers, என்னோட teachers, Sandanti, Vinod sir. Thank you so much.
ஸ்ரீதேவி பாலாஜி, த்ரிஷாஸ்மா. த்ரிஷா பிபிஎம்பியில் அவள் பண்ண அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் நினைக்கிறது என்னால் பண்ண முடியும், ஐ கேன் டூ இட், நான் செய்வேன் அப்படின்னு அவள் நினைக்கிறது எனக்கு பெரிய அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்டாக நினைக்கிறேன். இதுக்காக நான் தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லணும் எய்ம்ஸ் மீடியா, மீரா, சரிதா அண்ட் வினோத் சார். அவங்க எந்த நேரத்தில் எங்களுக்கு எந்த டவுட்டாக இருந்தாலும் கிளியர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. தேங்க்யூ.
PPAP course முடிச்சிட்டேன், கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக இருக்கேன். ஏம்ஸ் மீடியா தேங்க்ஸ் அண்ட் மீரா தேங்க்ஸ் அண்ட் சரிதா ஆண்டி அண்ட் வினோத் சார் தேங்க்ஸ்.
Hi, I'm Sri Vidya. My daughter has just finished her PBMP course. At this juncture, I would like to thank Meera and Ames Media for their continued support and guidance. She has become more confident and is able to express herself more clearly now. It has been a great learning experience for her and in fact for me too. I once again extend my sincere thanks to everyone at Meera and Ames Media and my special thanks to Sarita and Vinod sir for their continuous support and guidance. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedavalli. This video was edited by our PBAMP student, Trisha. All she needed was probably less than a few hours to get this up and running. Thank you, Trisha, for the video editing. Now it's the time for awarding advanced diploma certificates to our smart, young PBAMP students, right? Vedavalli, I'll give you a couple of minutes to just get everything ready while I start describing about the first student. I would request all the PBAMP students to please turn their video on. Thank you. Right. Yes. With your convocation caps on, please. Caps on. Described by his friends as creative, hardworking, helpful, and focused, he's had the opportunity to work on external projects from Ames Media. His thirst for exploration has made him learn beyond what is in the syllabus and share it with his friends. Always on time for the class and submitting his work on time, he also loves having fun and playing games in the class. Let's put our hands together to congratulate Harshal on his achievement. Harshal certificate, please. Harshal, you will have to pose for a online snap. Smile. I hope Lakshmi, you have taken the snap.
Done.
Yes, thank you, Harshal. The next candidate, described by his friends as independent, a perfect gentleman, smart, well-mannered, hardworking, and punctual. He just loves working with SketchUp Pro and is extremely quick in coming up with floor plans. His favorite has been a house with 29 facilities. Anybody wants a floor plan, please reach out to him. a generous young man who truly practices inclusion, has a place for everyone in his dream home. He enjoys making animation videos using Doodly and loves lending his voice to his friends' videos. Let's give a big round of applause to congratulate Nived on his achievement. Congratulations, Nived.
Thank you, Sarita auntie.
So Kailasam, in case you want any house, he is ready to make the house plan, floor plan for you.
Yeah, I'll reach out to Nived for that. Thank you.
Lakshmi, snapshot done? Yes, thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you, Nived. The next smart lady of the class, the most friendly person in the class, always ready to lend a helping hand. She's described by her friends as humorous, responsible, and a smart young lady. She enjoys competition and takes up tough tasks and works towards completion. She also loves working on Doodly and video editing software such as Premiere Pro and After Effects. She's always open to hearing from others and never hesitates to share her thoughts and ideas. Let us put our hands together to congratulate Shreya on her achievement. Congratulations, Shreya.
Thank you.
Snapshot done, Lakshmi. Thank you. Thank you, Shreya. The next person, described by her friends as calm, friendly, sensible, and quiet. She's a very hardworking person and meticulous in her work. She enjoys making videos in Premiere Pro and After Effects. She loves cooking, and that is something that she exhibits in all her Photoshop work. She's very patient, and her work is near perfect on almost all occasions. Very quiet in the class, but friendly. She's always ready to support her friends. Not just her friends, even the faculty. There have been many times where she stood in for me, saying that don't tell like that to Sarita auntie. Let us give a big round of applause to congratulate Trisha on her wonderful achievement. Congratulations, Trisha. Thank you, Trisha. This is the PBAMP team, the team that has demonstrated teamwork and have developed great bonding amongst themselves. We wish this team all the very best as they begin their journey under the brand name Atulya, Our Work Matters. A proud moment indeed for all of us over here. Big round of applause once again. I would now request Vedavalli to tile up all the students, the 4 students, along with Vinod and myself for a group photograph. This is a highly enthusiastic team and their enthusiasm is very, very contagious. You get into the class tired, but then you come back fully energized, fully enthusiastic to take up more challenges. In fact, where we are today is actually driven by them, all the 4 of them. They've made this possible. Thank you, Harshil, Shreya, Trisha, and Nived.
Give me a minute, Sarita. I'm adding.
Yes, I can. Yeah, I know I'm missing in the scene. Yes. Snapshot, please, Lakshmi. Let's all smile.
Yes, smile, please.
Yes. It's a proud moment for all of us. Or a thumbs up.
Okay, one more.
Yes. Rashmi, we can see you. I want the graduates to just take their cap off, hold it in your hands so that it is seen in the camera and the snap with that. Harshil, we can't see your cap.
Yeah, that's good.
Harshil, your cap is not seen. Yes, wonderful. Nived, cap down. I don't have a cap. Awesome.
Sarita.
Yes. Thank you very much.
You have
now
many feathers in your cap, Sarita.
Thank you. That was a good one, Vedavalli. Yes. Now I call upon Kailasam, Maria, Lakshmi, and Satish to join us along with Vedavalli and Vednagam for a team snap. Of course, joining us is the job of Vedavalli. She will tile us all together.
please excuse me.
Yes, take your time, Vedavalli. Don't worry. Your convocation caps can be put on. Trisha, pottukoma.
Done, Sarita.
Lakshmi is missing.
It's allowing only 9, I think.
Is it? Okay. So we'll do one thing. We'll take one snap like this, pull one of us out, and then bring in Lakshmi for another snap.
All right. Smile.
Smile.
Done.
Yes. Just hold on. The rest of you, will Lakshmi comes in, one of us go out.
Sir, I'm replacing yours, sir.
The husband and wife are mutually exclusive.
Happy family.
Okay, smile again.
Yes.
Done.
Thank you, Lakshmi. This completes the PBAMP group's convocation. Now we move on to the LBAMP group. Vedavalli, can you please start playing the video of LBAMP journey?
Give me a moment, please.
Yes. So this LBAMP group.
I'm super ready. I'll be on mute, Sita auntie, if the video is going on.
Yes. Thank you, Aditi. I appreciate it. Yes. That's called true understanding, Aditi. Thank you. All right. So this LBAMP group, I think, you know, they learned their entire software skills truly online. So right from the day they started computers, that was when we went on lockdown. So this group is something which I think, you know, they have really in true sense braved all odds and adapted quickly to online sessions. Thank you everyone for being very supportive in this group, the students and the parents. We know how difficult it has been for all of you, but still you walked the mile with us. Ready, Vedavalli?
Yes.
Fast.
Good blood, bad blood, 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 good blood, bad blood.
Faster.
Good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood. Bad.
Bag.
Bad.
Bat.
Bad.
Black.
Bad.
Bag.
Bad.
Bat.
Bad.
Black சொல்லுங்க.
Bad.
Black.
Bad.
Black.
Good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood.
Faster சொல்லிட்டே போ. Good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood.
Good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood.
Thank you, Vinod sir, for that wonderful video. I have to tell this, ever since I saw the two videos and also the video made by Trisha, I think the Guru and Sishyas are on the same page. They have used the same background. So there is some wavelength and frequency match in all of you guys. Thank you. Right. Now I call upon Vedanayakam to please talk about the LBAMP team.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to LBAMP Convocation. I'm thankful for having the privilege of facilitating the second batch of these charming students. It has been a journey with a lot of learning for me personally. After all of ups and downs that this batch had to face, today I'm standing here feeling happy, proud, and satisfied. My special thanks to parents who stood by their children and support us throughout the program. Watching the students grow together, find friendship, explore creativity, and find their unique plus point has been good. Friendship was too evident when they met for direct session after almost a year of online session. When the students focused us to move this session online, I wonder if it would be difficult to adapt for all of us. Sarita ma'am was a great support for nearly 2 months during last summer and her help was timely. After a while, students also started picking up concept easily. Thank you a lot, Sarita ma'am. Vinod sir, it's a pleasure to co-facilitate with you. We work well together. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Satish sir. Special thanks to you for the confidence you had in me. Thanks to Ames Media for the entire experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedanayakam. Vedanayakam is a person who is really, hands-on and makes sure that he goes out of the way to reach the need of every student in the class, be it spending extra time with them outside the sessions or during the sessions. He's really been very helpful and a big boon for this team. Thank you, Veda. Vedavalli, can you now play the PowerPoint presentation having the audio and the text of testimonials? We request you all to read the testimonial, please. This has come from the parents and the students.
Sincerely did all the homework and then.
Hello, Akhil.
Hi.
So, Akhil, tell me something about the AEMP course that you just completed.
It was very interesting course. I learned new things in designing through Photoshop too. I used to look forward to Tuesdays and Thursdays every week to attend the online session. I sincerely did all the homework and enjoyed submitting the same through email, also writing the trimester exams. It would have been more fun if I did this at Mira Center with.
Hey, that was great, Akhil. So tell me, what did you like the most about the course?
I like to do poster design, menu card, and using spot healing and pen tool. It was very interesting to try out different things. Recently, I have learned Adobe Premiere, making stop animation, video edits, and with sound. I was excited.
Oh, good. Okay, so whom would you like to thank?
I would like to thank Vinod sir, Veda sir, and Sarita auntie for all the help and support. They were very patient in explaining and very committed. I am waiting to join PPAMP also. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedavalli. I would request all the LBA EMP students to be ready. Veda will now be calling out each student, and we will follow the same procedure that we did for PBAMP. Okay, over to you, Veda.
I may talk a lot, but I am very focused when I have work to do. Once I know the flow, I don't mind even 100 redos. I know my work. I can focus and complete it well. You may leave. If you have other work with us, sir, she would say. Aditi taught me this about herself. Spotlight on Aditi, please. Congratulations, Aditi.
Aditi, pose for the photograph.
Me?
Yes.
But I don't know. I think some make-believe. I think I have my make-believe friends around here somewhere.
Yeah, just relax and focus on the just pose. Thank you, Aditi. Amma will come later. Lakshmi done? Is it done? Yes. Thank you, Lakshmi. Yeah. Thank you, Aditi. Congratulations. Yeah. Yes, Veda.
You're most ideal, auntie.
Next person. You teach me once. It look like I know.
Thank you, Vedavali auntie.
I may get stuck, but I will come to you with my doubts. Everything you teach me is an opportunity. Homework is my favorite part. If you want one image manipulation, I will give a number less than 4 such image. I like to explore and try it. It's Akhil for you. Spotlight on Akhil.
Yes, I think that we request there is some hand that is seen clicking the camera. If you could just.
I think it's Padma. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Padma. Congratulations, Akhil. Smile.
Hi, Akhil.
Smile. You look nice when you smile.
Veda, could you move a little, please?
Vedavalli. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Akhil. Next person. There are always more than one solution to any problem. You think this tool works, but I know another shortcut that gets the job done in half a time. Mati Yosi is the motto of this student. In this 18 months, how the student progressed to sit for 1.5 hours and focusing is amazing. Here is Anamika.
Congratulations, Anamika.
Hi, Anamika.
Look at the camera.
Okay, now photos.
Done.
Thank you,
Anamika. Congrats, Nana.
Thank you.
Next person. Yanvali Tanivali. You may want me to something, but I may want to use something else. I will always give you 2 different outcomes. If you are giving me time, I will give the work. It may not be all right, but if you give me a lot of time, I will give and focus lot of things and I will show the creative side. It's Monish.
Congratulations, Monish.
Thank you.
Monish, pose for the photo. Lakshmi.
Sir, a little to
Yeah, your yellow shirt is seen.
Veda, you too, please. Thank you. Done.
Thank you, Monish. Next person. I learned quickly, mostly in the first time. You explain it to me. I will give an okay project the first time you demand. If you are really interested and asking me again, this time I will give an excellent project. I don't want to put much effort, but never offer all you have it in the first round itself. It's a lesson from Rahul. Spotlight on Rahul.
Congratulations, Rahul.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Rahul.
All right. Smile, please, Rahul. Yes, that was beautiful. Congratulations, Kanna. Done.
So, Vedanayakam, we are done with everyone?
Yes, ma'am, we are done with everyone.
Congratulations to all the LBAMP students and a big round of applause to all of you. Vedavalli, when we took the photo for PBAP, did we include the parents? You're on mute, Lakshmi. We didn't. Maybe after the LBAMP, we will have one more round, right? Vedavalli, just the students along with Vinod and Vedanayakam, please. Students, we're going to have a group photo. So once Vedavalli auntie tiles us, we'll all smile and Lakshmi auntie will take the snap. Yes, I see Monish and Rahul. Now comes Akhil, smart young man. Then Anamika, all smiles. Good to see you after a long time, Anamika. Then we have Aditi, right. Now we need Vinod sir and Vedanayakam.
Yeah,
yes.
Are we ready?
Cheers. Cheese, cheese, cheese.
1 minute, please.
Why? Okay.
Yeah, like she has to put that congratulations, graduates. Yes.
All right. That's a good one. Aditi, can you just lower your thumbs? I want to see your face.
Yes.
Good one. Monish? Yes.
Done, Lakshmi? We request the parents to join the students, and Vedavalli, you can tile up with maybe Lakshmi, Satish and Maria. The parents, please join the students.
Sarita, Rakesh is here, so.
Rakesh is here? All right.
Okay, Rakesh, that was Ames Media. Okay, right. Hi, Rakesh. Welcome.
Hi, very good morning. Congratulations to all the graduates. Yeah, I have joined almost 20 minutes back. I was just, watching the things were going on. Thank you.
Okay. Yes.
All right. Such proud parents. Yes.
Akhil's parents are not visible.
No, I think they're adjusting the camera so all three of them can come into focus.
Only Kunju, maybe you just push the camera a little bit.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Perfect. Yes, smile, please.
Super. That was a cool snap. Yes. May I now request the spotlight on the PBAMP students along with their parents, please? We missed it in the earlier one. Thank you, LBAMP students. Congratulations and a big round of applause once again to all of you.
Thank you, Jab.
Omana, you're not seen. Come closer.
Yes,
Manoj is also there.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Yes.
Are you happy with me or not?
Hari konjam ninga thalaye guniyanum. Kneel down, Panungo. Right. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
that's someone named.
Give me a minute,
I
Sarita.
don't know who this AS Media sir is. I don't understand who he is.
The etiquette of Zoom meeting is who is not talking, we go on mute. Thank you. Vinod also. Yes. Smile.
Let me add Maria also.
Yes. One thumbs up snap. Lakshmi done na? The chief guest is missing in this.
It's okay. You're all the chief, most important people.
Done, Sarita.
Yes, thank you. Rakesh, we had introduced you earlier. Do you want to speak a few words? This is Rakesh for all of you. He's the CEO and the brain behind this program.
Thank you so much, Sarita ji, Lakshmi ji, Satish ji, and the entire team of Mira Charitable Trust, who gave us, the platform to explore whatever we have conceived almost 13 years back. And I'm very sure, it is not only just to give a new dimension to the employment or, to give a different sort of employment opportunity, but it's most important thing is the way the children has performed in the last 18 months or the PPMP student in the last 3.5 years time. The functional development, it has been noticed so well, and I'm very, very confident the kind of confidence they have today, the kind of skill they have today, the kind of knowledge they have today about the media and entertainment industry, so for the designing industry, I'm sure that there is a big window is open for them. And as I always mention, after the BPO, graphic designing is the second largest outsourced job in the world. And thank you so much, Lakshmi ji, Sarita ji, that you already have conceived the idea about the workstation. I'm sure this is going to be a very big platform for the children to get a new type of employment opportunity. So thank you so much to all of you, and big congratulations to all the graduates, and a big congratulations to Sarita and Vinod for your hard efforts. Whatever has happened today, it is because of all of you. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Rakesh. We owe a lot to Ames Media. Your support has been really great.
AS Media sir.
Yes, Aditi. Thank you. Right. So that's it. I think, Vedavalli, we have covered all the events. We have come towards the end of it. So now it's time. It's been really a wonderful day. Glad to see so many happy faces, smart young ladies and gentlemen. I now call upon Durga to render the vote of thanks. After the vote of thanks, we do have a closure song. So request you all to please wait for that. Over to you, Durga.
Thank you, Sarita. All good things come to an end, and this quote is an apt one for drawing the curtains this special morning with our students graduating their respective courses with flying colors. As we get ready to continue creating more proud moments, I'm grateful to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Kailasam, for taking time off from his busy schedule across time zones and being here with us. Thank you, sir. Ames Media, Mira is glad for your support and effort in making our dreams realize. And it came right on time for us to take this opportunity and look where we are now. We will count on you to continue this journey for our upcoming batches as well. Thank you. Ooh. Dear students, words alone cannot convey how each one of us at Mira feels presently at your achievement and success. Wishing you the very best as you continue to learn and explore. Parents, grateful for the trust, and we are truly humbled. Mira is synonymous with the physical space that is on 4th Seward Road, Ramaniyam Sampurnam in Tiruvannur. And we will continue to cherish that temple of ours for offering us so many people who have become part of our journey to educate, empower, and embrace. Our tech trio at Mira, Sarita, Vedavalli, and Vedanayagam, leave no stone unturned to offer the best learning platform, direct care or online. And even today, they have worked very hard to present this event seamlessly. Take a bow. Vedavali, many thanks to you for making sure this morning is a memorable one for all of us. In these testing times, Zoom and Facebook have become our partners in the teaching learning process, and it is gratitude as we are able to share across the globe our pride and achievements today. For all those who have been supporting us with your patronage, family, well-wishers and friends, cheers to one and all. As a parting note, please do stay and listen to Master Shyam rendering a Bharatiyar number, reminding us what we need to remember today and forever. Thank you.
Thank you, Durga.
மனதிலுறுதி வேண்டும் மனதிலுறுதி வேண்டும் வாக்கினிலே இனிமை வேண்டும் நிலைவு நல்லது வேண்டும் நெருங்கின பொருள் கைப்பட வேண்டும் மனதில் உறுதி வேண்டும் கனவு மெய்ப்பட வேண்டும் கைவசமாவது விரைவில் வேண்டும் கனவு மெய்ப்பட வேண்டும் கைவசமாவது விரைவில் வேண்டும் தனமும் இன்பமும் வேண்டும் தரணிலே பெருமை வேண்டும் மனதில் உறுதி வேண்டும் கண் திறந்திட வேண்டும் காரியத்தில் உறுதி வேண்டும் பெண் விடுதலை வேண்டும் பெரிய கடவுள் காக்க வேண்டும் மண் பருட வேண்டும் மண் பருட வேண்டும் மாநகம் இங்க தென்பட வேண்டும் உண்மை நின்றிட வேண்டும் ஓம் ஓம் ஓம்.
Thank you, everyone. What an apt way to end the day. Manadil Urudhi Vendum talks about the grit and determination that is needed to move forward. Thank you, Shyam, for rendering such a wonderful number and that too such an apt number. Thank you, Vidya, for making sure that the students render the song that are apt to the occasion. We thank everyone, those who are on Zoom with us, those who have joined us on Facebook Live, and wishing you all a great weekend ahead. The only thing that we pray for now is being safe and being healthy. Thanks once again. Thank you, Kailasham, for joining us and gracing this occasion. Thanks once again.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye, everyone.